In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of this inline HDMI surge protector. Our product code is surge-HDMI. Okay, so we've got some screws to attach it. We've got some earthing wire here. We have the actual device itself. Let's open it up. Okay, so we have our HDMI input and we have obviously our HDMI output. Now what's very important to do is we need to make sure that we attach our earthing cable through to our closest earthing point, whether that be on a plug point or if there's an earthing bar anywhere nearby. It's very important that this device here is grounded, otherwise it won't be effective. If you guys have any questions or comments or you need some help, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you.